welcome to Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Nike and Concepts collaboration, the Purple Lobster Dunks. So, I have the original box here. They did come out with a special box, but that was only available if you got the shoes out of the Concept store. But this is the pretty basic Nike SB box. It comes in a minty blue and black, and yeah, pretty simple. Alright, so these shoes are actually the third release from the collaboration of Nike and Concepts. The first collaboration that they did was back in 2008, and they came out with the first shoe, which was a red colorway, and then in 2009 they came out with the blue colorway. And then they also had a super limited yellow edition, and yeah, and then also I've seen some green version, and I think that one is also a super limited one, and I'm not sure when that released. But yeah, this is the third official release, and these are the Purple Lobsters. So all these shoes are inspired by the lobster fishing culture, and with the shoes there's a lot of different aspects that show the lobster vibes in a way. So here at this part and here it has the spickle print, which is kind of lobster vibes, and then in the inside of the shoe is with a picnic table lining, and here it has a blue one, and here it has a purple one, and in the red colorway it had a red one, and then in the blue one it had a blue one. So that's all the same. And then it has the purple Nike logo and with a white outline, and then it has Nike at the back with white. And also this shoe comes with two different colored rubber bands. The other one is grayish, or like really light gray or white, and then a dark blue one. And these come here on the shoe, and they're kind of like the lobster rubber bands, because lobsters, if you see them in stores, they come with the rubber band and their scissors. So yeah, really funky shoe. I think the concept is really fun and different from other shoes. And this shoe also comes with 3 pairs of laces, so the white ones, then the black ones, and then a peach color, which is, yeah, I'm not really sure if the peach goes that well, but yeah, I like the black ones, and the white ones are pretty nice too. These shoes retail for 109 euros, and the resale prices are around 200 euros. So if you want to get these shoes, you better get them soon, because the earlier releases that released 10 years ago, they're really expensive. They're going up around 500 euros, I think. So yeah, you better get on it if you want these shoes. So this was it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!